This Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 stands out as a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance, offering an exceptional blend of performance, convenience, and innovation. With a robust 1,200-watt motor base, this blender is designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, making it a must-have tool for anyone who enjoys preparing smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, and more. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0. At the heart of the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 is its impressive 1,200-watt motor base. This high-powered motor ensures that the blender can easily tackle a variety of tasks, from crushing ice to blending whole fruits and vegetables. Whether you're making a refreshing smoothie on a hot summer day or preparing a hearty soup for dinner, this blender's powerful motor provides the performance you need to achieve smooth and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 is its Auto IQ technology. This innovative feature takes the guesswork out of blending by offering a crush preset program. The Auto IQ program combines uniquely timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, ensuring that ingredients are blended to perfection with minimal effort on your part. This is particularly useful for beginners or those who want a quick and hassle-free blending experience. The Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 comes equipped with total crushing blades, which are designed to turn ice into snow in a matter of seconds. This makes it ideal for creating smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks with a smooth and consistent texture. The stacked blade assembly ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly blended, eliminating chunks and providing a silky smooth finish. Whether you're blending ice, fruits, or vegetables, these blades deliver outstanding performance every time. The blender features a generous 72-ounce pitcher, which is perfect for making large batches of your favorite beverages and recipes. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, this pitcher is ideal for family-sized portions or entertaining guests. The large capacity means you can blend more at once, saving time and effort in the kitchen. The pitcher also includes a convenient pour spout, making it easy to serve your creations without any mess. In addition to the Auto IQ program, the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 offers manual speed control with low, medium, high, and pulse settings. This allows you to take complete control of your blending, tailoring the speed and intensity to suit your specific needs. Whether you need a gentle stir or a powerful blend, the manual controls give you the flexibility to achieve the perfect consistency for any recipe. Cleaning up after blending can often be a chore, but the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 makes it easy with its dishwasher-safe parts. The containers, lids, and blades are all BPA-free and can be placed on the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and easy cleanup. This convenience is a significant time saver, allowing you to enjoy your creations without worrying about the mess. To help you get started with your new blender, the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 includes a 10-recipe quick start guide. This guide inspires a variety of delicious and easy-to-make recipes, including smoothies, sorbets, salsas, and dips. Whether you're a seasoned blender enthusiast or new to blending, this guide offers a great way to explore the capabilities of your Ninja blender and discover new favorite recipes. The Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 boasts a sleek and modern design in a dark gray finish, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The blender's base is sturdy and stable, preventing it from moving or tipping during use. The overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. When you purchase the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0, you receive a comprehensive package that includes everything you need to get started. The box contains the 1,200-watt motor base, a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with pour spout, a stacked blade assembly, and a 10-recipe quick start guide. This all-inclusive package ensures that you have all the tools necessary to begin blending right away. In terms of performance, the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 delivers exceptional results across a range of blending tasks. The powerful motor and total crushing blades ensure that ice, fruits, and vegetables are blended quickly and efficiently, producing smooth and consistent textures. The Auto IQ technology and manual speed controls provide versatility, allowing you to tackle a wide variety of recipes with ease. Whether you're making a simple smoothie or a complex sauce, this blender offers the performance and flexibility you need. The Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 offers excellent value for money, combining high performance, innovative features, and user-friendly design at a reasonable price point. Its powerful motor, large capacity pitcher, and advanced blending technology make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys preparing smoothies, frozen drinks, and other blended recipes. The included recipe guide and dishwasher-safe parts add to the overall value, making this blender a practical and convenient choice for everyday use. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that delivers outstanding performance and convenience. With its 1in200-watt motor, total crushing blades, and Auto IQ technology, this blender is capable of handling a wide range of blending tasks with ease. The large 72-ounce pitcher, manual speed controls, and easy-to-clean design make it a practical and user-friendly choice for any kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or simply looking for a reliable blender, the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 is an excellent option that offers great value for money. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.